More is lost by indecision than wrong decision.
The key is to act, to move forward, despite uncertainties.
Never let the fear of mistakes hold you back.
So take action, build momentum, and learn from every outcome.
Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goal.
Singko punto. Compare na to ang Strava o kung watch dayon pagkahuman. Bigan na to tong kaya basta dili mundang. Warm up na ta, walking na ta, ug naka-bike. Let's go.
You can take a day off.
Okay, 6.
You don't need to push yourself. I'll take care of you.
Biggest struggle in running. My right knee will be in hell after 5K run. Authentic. Along. Okay, wala nang ulan. Wala nang magka. Kami tayo magdandagan under the rain. Ano na kayo?